Hey everybody, it's me, the Nitty Gritty Yarn Girl. We are here today at the beautiful Water's Edge Resort and Spa in Westbrook, Connecticut, where November 14th through 16th, we'll be bringing you our annual Nitty Gritty Yarn Girl Friendship, Knitting, and Crochet Retreat. For 3 days, you will spend your time in this absolutely gorgeous setting while you enjoy knitting, crocheting, learning new techniques, having fabulous food, and making new friends. We're excited that you'll join us this year and look forward to having you. Go to our website at nittygrittyyarngirl.com and sign up today for the 2025 Friendship and Knitting Retreat. We'll see you there.
Hi, I'm Jill from Knit Sisu, and I am so excited to share that registration is now open for the Nitty Gritty Yarn Girl Friendship, Knit, and Crochet Retreat. This retreat will be in November of this year, 2025, and Paula and her team have planned a weekend full of yarn. More than that, they have planned a weekend full of time for knitters and crocheters to come together and do just that, share in the love of their craft, break bread together, talk, learn, share time, stories, and make new friends. That's the friendship retreat. I am very honored to be there instructing this year. I will have a few classes as well as be there the whole time for any support that is needed for any knitting questions that may come up, but also be there to knit with you. I personally am so excited. I had so much fun the last time I was at this retreat. I really hope to see you there.
The Nitty Gritty Yarn Girls retreat was so much fun. The venue was great, the food was great, and the people were terrific. They came from all over the country, mothers with daughters and sisters with sisters. We met tons of people and talented knitters who shared what they were doing. Um, I, I've been to other retreats, and this was without a doubt the best retreat, the most fun, the most lively, the best teaching. We had a famous pattern developer who taught us several classes of things that are fun to know. I have already signed up for next year. I would encourage people to look into it and come.
Hi, I'm talking today about the Nitty Gritty retreat in November, and I attended last year and had a wonderful time. Met a lot of nice new people, lots of knitters from all over the country, good variety of people, levels of knitting from beginners to experts. So everybody's always helping each other out, giving suggestions. There are lots of yarn projects to choose from, and Paulette's wonderful with helping with selections and colors and new ideas. The food is wonderful. The atmosphere is gorgeous. We have lots of fun. We're up till midnight knitting all together and discussing what we're making. Lots of laughing. It's a really fun time. Highly recommended.
Let me tell you about the Nitty Gritty Young Girl. It was a beautiful relationship that was formed. Wasn't aware of it, but when a group of people get together, interested in yarn, we laughed, we talked, we learned, and the relationship that was built on from that day continues on till today.
How many Nitty Gritty Yarn Girl retreats have you been on?
I want to say 4.
Wow. And what is it that you like about it?
People, new projects, new teachers, atmosphere,
Have you met any new friends on there?
all of them, let alone the people that I come to Nitty Gritty every Thursday. And now some of them are visiting today from Hartford. Yeah,
Excellent.
it is excellent.
And you're looking forward to the next one coming up.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And the teacher that she has coming is a fabulous teacher. Yeah, looking forward to it very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.